What's up guys, it's your boy Flavio with another video. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find an external hard drive that is not showing up, which you cannot find no matter what you connect and disconnect, and it doesn't appear. So as you can see, I will just show you here an example. You cannot see where the hard drive is, it doesn't show up, and the problem for this is that there is no letter assigned to the hard drive. So one of the solutions that I'll show you up, I just made a test with this hard drive right here. I just found it already, so I'll show you how I did it. You go to Windows, hit Command, and just write diskpart. So after it, on diskpart, write list volume. You're gonna select the volume you want. Where is your disk? You can check it by how many gigabytes it has. In my case, is this here, the disk D, ASR. You're gonna write select volume 3, the number from the volume, and after it, you just write assign letter, for example, Z, A, B, C, D, whatever you want. Just put one letter. In this case, I'll try with Z, and now this will assign one letter to the disk you have, and your disk will show up in my computer. So it's that easy, that simple. As you guys can see, I'll just take it off and plug it again. As you guys can see, now the disk has signs with the letter D and is fully functional. I'll just write the commands down below in the description if you guys need it. You can just copy, paste it, and just hit the enter at the end. Hope it works with you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys next time. See ya.